Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of quarantine round 2 drinks at Nate's Happy Hour Bar. And we're starting off this week with a special announcement. I have teamed up with my good friend on Instagram, the Nom Nom Bomb. So what's going on is every week for the foreseeable lockdown future, she is gonna prepare one meal based on some random country in the world. And my job now is to pair that meal with a cocktail to go with it. So the next few weeks are gonna be quite the adventure. I hope you join me and everybody online for this journey. And links will be in the description so you can follow along with everything that's going on, and let's get started. All right, so week 1 of this crazy adventure is the Bahamas. And for me at least, it was a pretty simple choice to make when I was gonna make this cocktail. I have no idea what the meal is gonna be, but today, we are gonna be making the Bahama Mama cocktail. It is fruity, it looks like a sunset, and it tastes delicious. Let's go.
All right, first up, we will be adding 1 shot of Malibu coconut rum, followed by 1 shot of any light rum of your choosing. We are gonna add 2 shots of orange juice and 1 shot of pineapple juice. Now we'll add some ice to our glass and pour. Be sure to leave some room at the top of the glass. Now we'll add some Grenadine. Don't worry, this will sink right to the bottom. And now, if you're like me and need a good extra hit of rum in your drinks, we can add some dark rum at the top to give it a nice 3-layer look.
Boom. And just like that, with a few easy ingredients, we have made a beautiful Bahama Mama cocktail. I love how it looks like a sunset. I know this is one of my go-to drinks when I feel like I am over winter and I just want to warm up, on the inside at least. Ooh, coconut, pineapple, orange. There's nothing else you really need in a drink now, is it? Stay tuned for more drinks and food to come from all over the world. This is gonna be an epic journey. Take a look in the description for links to everything that you're gonna need if you wanna try some of this stuff at home. Subscribe, because you don't wanna miss any of this. I'll see you next week. Cheers.